Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get promo codes for Please Donate. So first thing you need to do is open up any browser and then search on Google Please Donate codes. And once you do that, simply open this website gamerrent.com. Once you do that, simply scroll down until you see a section of active Please Donate codes. So as you can see, these codes are active ones which will give you. First one will give you 15 gift box, second will give you 50 gift box, and third one will give you 20 gift box. So you can use any of them and get rewards for free. But keep in mind that these codes will expire very soon, just like these ones. So just redeem them before they get expired. So to redeem them, what you need to do is simply copy any of them and then go back to your Please Donate game, and from here simply click on this redeem button, and then here simply paste your code that you have copied and simply click on this redeem button. As you can see, I just received 15 gift box. So that's how you can use promo codes on Please Donate. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.